I do a lot of welding and fabrication. I've been a welder professionally for 3 years now, and today we're making a video on how to select your welding helmet. So the first two types of helmets, I kind of lump them into the same category, are the sugar scoop and the pancake. So these are both mainly pipe welding hoods. For this one, outside, because of the lens box in here that blocks the sunlight out for you. And for the sugar scoop, some of the benefits or the cost of these front lenses is relatively low. You can get a whole pack for $20. The lightness of it, you can wear it all day, flip it up and down. The durability, now this one is a carbon fiber one, and I did crunch it pretty bad and it's cracked, but it still functions the same. The durability of the regular fiber metal pipe liners is very good. You could pretty much throw them off a building and they should be okay. And also inside this lens box here, same for the pancake, you can get an auto darkening filter for them, so you're not limited to the glass 2x4 lenses. So that would be that's what I personally wear every day. Now for TIG welding in the home shop, which is what I do at home mostly, definitely the regular auto darkening lens is what I would choose. Helmet, some brands that make them, Optro, Miller, Hobart, Jackson, Lincoln, Speed Glass, which is 3M. They all make different varieties of a helmet similar to this. The one nice thing is the larger viewing field. This has curved outer plastic lenses, so then you can see without a reflection. This helmet here has far better color than any $100 lens you can get for those helmets there. Now for me personally, I have a Jackson and a Miller that were bought by my previous employers, and those are your helmets to keep, so they'll normally buy you a lower end when you're starting out. And the other thing, a downside to these helmets are they're a little bit more delicate with the electronics inside of here. There's little wires that go up, and there's, depending on how complex it is, some different electronics in there that if you drop these even off the table, they can break. So those are with that. This is my choice for the home welding. The only reason I don't use this at work is because we stick weld and we MIG weld, and these outer lenses are quite expensive, so I keep this for my TIG welding at home. Your last option, which is what I wore at my previous job, is a PAPR, which is Powered Air Purifying Respirator. Sorry for that little slip there. So some of the benefits are these are obviously the lung filtration. So how these work is they have a pack you wear around your waist. It takes a battery and a filter. You can pop the filter out. I have one right here. They take a filter like this, goes inside of this pack here, and it catches all the nasties inside of from your welding that would go into your lungs. Now this one is definitely my favorite of all of them because it has a flip-up grinding shield. So the flip-up grinding shield, if you're tacking a lot or you're grinding up and down and up and down and up and down, it also seals off around your neck here, and that keeps everything out, and then it flows the air in there. Some of the downsides to those helmets would definitely be the weight, because this thing, you're wearing it around your waist, and you might not think, oh, it's 2 pounds, it's not that bad, but it ends up being a lot. These 3Ms, the weight of them isn't that bad, not much more than these regular auto darkening lenses, helmets, and the reason why I have this leather shielding here, this is actually TIG wrap for going around your leads, is because these this piece of cloth that seals around your helmet is quite expensive. So if you get this, it helps the sparks to roll off your helmet, so you're not replacing that. Lincoln makes a pretty good one. I've used RPB. Their lens color is amazing. The lens color in this is a green, which I don't particularly care for. Miller is also green. Off Trail is more of a real life color, white. And then for the 2x4s, 2x4.25 lenses, you can get whatever color you want, blue, white, and then for non-auto darkening, purple, green, gold, everything in between. Now, the reason why I choose this for my day-to-day welding is I weld in the field, and these helmets, as I said before, you can drop them, they fall off the scaffolding, hit the floor, pick it up and use it. And even if you do destroy your lens inside of here, it doesn't really matter because they're $100. You destroy a lens inside of this helmet here is $500. So that's the reason why I choose to weld with this helmet. And when I'm welding pipe, I choose to weld with this helmet because it seals your eyes off, especially if you're welding with a cellulose rod like 6010. The sparks can get behind your hood and get down behind your safety glasses. So that's why I choose this helmet for welding pipe. Thank you for listening in on this video. I hope I did a good job helping you decide what type of helmet. The other thing is that this here costs brand new roughly $2,000. This year you can have a similar helmet for $250 to $500, $700 on the high end. And then these two helmets here, I paid $100 for this helmet. You have to buy a lens. That's another $70 to $100. And this helmet here, being carbon fiber, I paid $200 for plus the lens. But I hope I was helpful in making your decision. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Other than that, have a great day.